Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials and capturing baseline data. Turn off other Bluetooth devices and set the headset to pairing or wired mode depending on what you use. This isolates interference. Once done, check battery and firmware. Low power or outdated firmware often adds latency. You should also test both wired and wireless paths to measure delay differences. These quick diagnostics tell you whether the issue is environmental, software, or hardware, so you know which next step to prioritize. You now modify the audio path and software. Change the codec to aptX low latency or AAC on both ends when supported. If not available, use a wired 3.5 connection to eliminate codec delay. Update drivers and firmware because many latency fixes are delivered in updates. Once updated, align sample rates and bit depth. Set both devices to 48K HC to avoid resampling delays. Also close background apps that use audio, as they can introduce buffering. You finish by tightening buffer and signal paths. Reduce audio buffer size in your app or external DAC to 32/128 samples. Smaller buffers cut latency but may cause dropouts, so balance accordingly. If Bluetooth delay persists, try a branded USB dongle or a direct wired connection to bypass the phone or PC stack. Finally, if problems remain, reset the headset and source. Then test with a different device to isolate whether the headset, source, or environment is at fault. This single troubleshooting tip narrows the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.